We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We remove the back cover. Remove the screws from the middle frame. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. Here we have the loudspeaker. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.